If a coil is leaking, it can't do its job properly, and if you're a manufacturer who depends on your coils, leaky coils can mean downtime and lost money. In this video, we'll define what a coil leak is, explain how they're measured, and how SRC's quality program works to prevent them. A leak is a void in a heat exchanger large enough for the equipment's working fluid to escape. Depending on the size of the void and the effectiveness of the quality program used to identify it, a leak could mean anything from a minor repair in the coil production facility to a major problem in the field. Not all coil leaks are the same. Things like leak severity and variance in the molecular size of the working fluids preclude a one-size-fits-all leak testing method. For example, R134A has a molecular mass of 102 grams per mole, whereas ammonia is only 17 grams per mole. So a pinhole just big enough to allow ammonia to escape would have to be several times larger to constitute a leak in an R134A system. Leaks are measured against standardized leak rate thresholds and expressed using the metric grams per year. Now that we know what leaks are and how they're measured, how do we find them? We have three primary leak testing methods at SRC. The first is pneumatic testing. It's our standard leak testing method, a method designed to be sufficient for most applications. It involves pressurizing the coil with air or dry nitrogen before submerging it in water. When a leak is present, bubbles will appear under the water's surface. The second is hydro testing, which is typically used for high pressure applications. This method involves filling the coil with water and applying pressure. If we see water coming from the coil, there's a leak. The third method is helium testing, which is used to test for minute leaks. First, we fill the coil with helium and use a specialized mass spectrometer, often called a sniffer, to detect any trace helium leaking from the coil, pinpointing even the smallest leaks. All SRC coils are tested using one of these techniques. The approach to leaks is simple. Prevention is better than cure. It's crucial to establish leak testing parameters as part of the coil's design. Whether our standard leak testing is sufficient for your needs or you prefer a more rigorous procedure, we'll build you coils that meet your quality standard. And if you're an OEM experiencing issues with leaking coils, contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.